Hi there, thanks for joining me today. Got a nice little treat. The lovely people down at Topdon have sent me one of these through. This is the new V220 Plus battery tester booster. So it comes in an absolutely delightful padded case, really nice quality. As you know, those that follow the channel, I do like the Topdon gear. I've not had a bad bit. It's all really well made, tech just really good quality. What are we getting here? This is a big unit. Now, a while ago, I did do a review on the JS 1200 booster kit. I've had this now well over a year. I must have started 100 cars with it. It is amazing. It's a cracking bit of kit. It's little, it's small, and it's half the power of this. So you see the size of that. It's a smaller unit compared to this one. Look at this fella. This is the 220. Like I say, it's considerably bigger, a lot more power. Up to 35 starts on one charge. I mean, how good's that? Also, we've got updated clamps. So that's with that one. Let's just show you these as well. Let's see how the difference between the new one and the old one. Are they any different? Well, they look the same. That one must have had, this one must have updated clamps on it as well then, because they look very similar, are they? Oh no, they're a little bit different. Oh yes, yeah, we have got some differences there. There are some differences. Not many though, there's not a lot in those to be fair, but these are, this is supposed to be updated. Also, this Bluetooth's to your phone. So this has got the battery tester in it. So when you connect it up to the car, with that in the slot, this lights up Bluetooth. It's connected to your phone. You can do the battery test on the car before you even try and jump start it. Because this is the battery tester. This is like a separate single battery tester. Again, I've had really good success with this. It's been brilliant. Diagnosing duff batteries, it's been great, but it is in a separate box. You do have to get that out, do the test first. So having it all in one place, all built into the one unit, is going to be a real benefit. Just have a quick look at this. The quality again, it's a really, really nice, beefy, sturdy, nice looking as well. It's got some protection on the corners in case you drop it. It's got a really powerful LED light on there. I think it's a 3000 lumen. I'll double check on that though. We pop the cap open there. We can plug in the cables. We are now ready to boost. The little lights come on for the Bluetooth already, so we can just download the app and get it on his phone. Yeah, straight into the instruction manual. You've got the QR code, download it, takes you straight to the App Store. We'll get that, and yeah, it's straight in there. It loads in really quickly, and it found it on through the Bluetooth straight away. Right, we'll get this charged up. We'll plug it into a USB-C to charge it. Then we're going to do some, yeah, it's going to boost the car and see how we get on. We've got USB-C, we just shove that straight in the side, let that do its thing. You can see that it's just charging, and it took about 2.5 hours to charge fully. So it's your worst nightmare. You've just been out, it's late at night, it's dark, it's cold, it's middle of the winter, it's raining. You get back to the car, nothing, it won't start. You're like, oh my God, you've left your lights on. Lights have been on for a couple of hours. But hey-ho, it doesn't matter, because in the glove box, we've got the Topdon, you know what I mean? The battery boost, and this is where this is such a great bit of kit. It will just fit in the glove box, fit in the boot, banging bit of kit. Pop the bonnet, and within 2 seconds we're going to have it started. Let's connect this up. We can get the bonnet up. We've got his battery terminals here. We've got our Topdon tester. We can just clap that straight on there. One positive to positive, negative to negative. We just press the boost button. It clicks. We'll go and start the car. Already we've got ignition lights on. Yeah, you see, and if you're a lady, if you're on your own, it's a simple thing to use. The last thing you want to do is be stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's the first thing. It's a brilliant bit of kit for that. But this one has obviously got these built-in functions of the battery tester and the charging tester. So we've got it running. Let's check the alternator and see if it's charging okay. Charging test. So turn off all electronics. Next, turn off all electronics, press continue. Okay, let's start it up. Lift the revs to 2,500 and hold it. Turn on all of the electronics. Okay, let's turn everything on we can. We'll have the lights on, we'll have the blowers on, rear heated window, rear wiper. Right, everything's on and it's checking now. Oh yeah, look at that. Normal charging voltage, so everything is good. The ripple's good, load voltage is good. We have a good alternator. Okay, the next one is the cranking test. So turn off all electronics. Everything's off. Turn off all systems, press confirm and then start the vehicle. There we go. Cranking voltage 11.29, which is a really good, that's nice. We want to be over 10.5 and yeah, 11.2 is brilliant. So again, it's a good strong battery on here. Straight from those two tests, we know that everything is all right. Good bit of kit, good bit of kit. You can save the results as well. If you want to save them to your phone, you can do, but we don't need to. Right, let's go for the battery test. Okay, so everything is switched off. It's probably going to say we've got a surface charge because we've had it running now. It's charged back up again. But let's do a battery test on it. 440 EN, regular flooded. Next. Voltage is too high, so we've got to remove some, so we've got to turn some power on just to get the surface charge off of it. We'll put the headlights on. Just let that go for a little bit. It shouldn't take too long just to bring the power down. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, battery test is happening. Good battery condition, please charge, which obviously we know it's going to be because it was dead. You know, I killed it to do the boost test. But yeah. Oh, somebody at the door. It's showing everything is great. We've got the internal resistance 7.7, stated charge 71%, 67% health. It's really good results, showing that everything is absolutely spot on. So yeah, what a bit of kit. Now I know the battery on this one's been playing up, so let's put a test on it and see what results we get. So battery's tucked away under here. We can clamp up onto the top of the battery terminals. Okay, hopefully it's going to like it. So we're connected now. Straight into the Topdon app again. Go back. We want to do a battery test. Now this one is an AGM and it's 900 CCA. So go to CCA. We'll tap in 900. on there like that. Next. Please confirm the battery is fully charged. It is. Whoa, diminished battery performance. So we have got, it's a rating of 900, 17% health, 86% charged, test value is 374. So like I said, I knew it was down, I knew it wasn't very good, and that is just confirming everything you know, that I know already. So it's accurate because it's I know this battery is due to be replaced. It's the original, so it's been on there since 2013. It still starts, still runs, but you can tell it's not as sharp when you're cranking it over. It's a little bit slow, and if you leave the auxiliaries on for, you know, 5 minutes, its battery warning light is pinging on. It's coming up saying switch everything off. So yeah, again, good, accurate test. Really good, accurate test. As always, I'll pop a link in the description for any discount codes and the product if I can get hold of some. What a bit of kit. It is absolutely, well, fantastic. Everything I'd expect from Topdon and more. It's like I say, powerful LED light. It's got the connectivity. You can use it as USB charging for any devices you've got. Let's just give you a quick walk round here, look. So you've got the cap on the end there for the jump starter. Nice, hefty rubberized cap on there. We've got connectivity in the side, USB-C, and also a round adapter. Say nice rubberized corners on it as well. And then the light on the side there. So to get the light power, you press and hold, and that light comes on there. And I say it's a good substantial light on there. Press it again, we get flash. Press it again, tells you the charge rate in here. Got slow flash. Press and hold it, turn it off. Yeah, really nice. We've got the power lights on the side, the boost button. So when we want to do the jump start on the car, we pop the end out, we slide that in to there. Bluetooth light comes on the side, it's got power. We just press the boost. It engages it. You've got 30 seconds now to do your boost. It'll jump start up to a 6-litre diesel engine with no problem, and I can vouch for that. It is an absolute beast of a unit. It's really, really good. It's got nice rubberized feet on the back as well, so it don't slide off. When you put it onto something, it won't slide off. All in all, great bit of kit. Fantastic bit of kit. I'll pop links in the description for it. If you're interested, if you've liked it, if you think it's a good tool, then drop me some comments. Always love your comments. And yeah, thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.